Welcome to the Plament presentation for the Blue Ocean Competition 2021. Concrete is the second most used material on the planet after water. The production of concrete generates at least 4.5% of the world's CO2 emissions. Concrete is a vital material for the world's development and is widely used for many purposes. The importance of this material valued its market at nearly $439 billion in 2018 and have grown at 7% since 2014. China alone had exceeded $60 billion last year. Besides that, there are mountains of plastic that are not being recycled. In Europe, we recycle only 30% of plastic, 39% is burned, and the rest ends up on landfills, so as much as 70% is not recycled. There is enough plastic in the world to cover Argentina's area, or 6 times that of California. And 91% of that plastic have never been recycled. Therefore, we need new methods to get rid of the plastic. In Plament, our idea is to use waste plastic as an element to produce concrete without weakening the material, but make it 15% stronger. To do this, we must first pulverize the plastic to mix well the concrete, then we expose it to gamma rays to maintain the hardness and the strength of the concrete. We have made our prototype with basic equipment from home in the form of tiles. Because this market rarely sees any product development, the usual business model is focused on mass production and cost efficiency. With this model comes many expenses that hinder startups from joining the market with new ideas. Therefore, we do not want to do it in the traditional way, where we outcompete existing companies, because we can see the opportunity to collaborate with them instead. That way, they can differentiate themselves from their competitors and promote themselves as environmentally friendly. Meanwhile, use their resources to reduce plastic waste and make concrete more sustainable. We do this through licensing our ideas to established factories. It is like sending a recipe for them to follow using machines they already have. To do this, we eliminate production from our task list, thereby also logistics, reduce tangible fixed assets, and most of the common expenses, raising research, innovation, and scalability. We are thus creating environmentally friendly concrete, marketing opportunities, and competitive advantages in the market. They can continue to focus on things they do well, like production and logistics. In contrast, we focus on research, product development, marketing, while making this market more sustainable. Although there have been ideas to solve the concrete sustainability issues, they mostly consist of removing limestone, which stands for about 60% of the industry's CO2 emissions. But because of the importance of limestone for the material's strength, most factories turned away from that. Therefore, we are starting with simple solutions that factories will not be scared to try. So we are beginning with tile producers, as they hold the least risk, as the worst that can happen is a crack in the tiles. Therefore, they are braver to explore new things. Later, we can start introducing more sustainable ideas. We visited a concrete factory near us to validate our target group. In this visit, we found all the resources needed to make Plament concrete. In the meeting, the production manager told us about the challenges of implementing new ideas in the concrete market and confirmed that they had recently bought a license concerning a coating for wet concrete that turned NOx particles into nitrite and worked perfectly for them. So what we offer our customers is a comparative advantage, easy steps to follow, low risk for high gains, 15% stronger concrete, and more sustainability options which can help them with climate taxes. This is Plament, and thank you for your time.